not be more pleased with how everyone is really showing up and living true to the Toastmasters values, which are integrity, respect, service, and excellence. And District 2, if you keep doing this, we're gonna be distinguished every year.
I thought today was a fabulous day, and I just can't thank our committee team enough.
This day was phenomenal. Watching all the magic come together, all the volunteers, all the amazing speeches, the wonderful education sessions. It has just been a phenomenal experience.
I am the president of Cosmos Toastmasters Club, and we have about 30 members. And we have speeches every week, but this was just a whole new level. This is the best of the best in this area coming and giving speeches, and it was so inspiring.
Perfect location, great people, wonderful theme.
I think just seeing how speakers come up there and inspire you with their stories is amazing.
So this was my first speech contest ever, and it was all that I thought it was going to be, which was nerve-wracking. Hopefully it resonated with at least one person, and that would be awesome if it did.
I thought the quality of the speeches today was really impressive. A lot of them focused on themes of inspiring others and not giving up.
The speakers were inspiring. I think that we both learned things that we'll be able to take back to the club.
And we're super thankful for Jocelyn to be our keynote. The room was just in a hush and leaning in, listening to her.
She ultimately brought tears to my eyes. So I was really delighted to be able to experience it.
I took a lot of skills, all the 5 nuggets she gave us. It's all in my packed within me, and I'm going to implement that.
If you believe in yourself, the whole world is going to believe in you. So I think that's exactly what I got the message from Jocelyn too, and I'm so glad I was here to witness all of that.
She is definitely a master at public speaking. I learned so much.
Such an amazing thing for her to share all of those nuggets that I can now leverage and use for my own journey.
People were just warm, giving me sound tip advice that I'm now going to use to pull together and make it better.
Next year, we're gonna merge with 2 other districts, Districts 9 and 32. And so this year has been not only challenging because we're trying to bring everyone into the fold, but also still honor and recognize District 2.
And the district is amazing. I'm proud to be a part of it.
My goal for today was that everybody has a great time. This is our last time being District 2, and we wanted to go out with a bang.
I really think District 2 has a great shot at going all the way this year, so I am just thrilled as punch for this conference.